Triple-Monitor-KVM-Chaos ends with TESmart DKS203-M24 saves workflow, gaming, and 4K at 144 Hz proof. You're staring at 6 DisplayPort cables, 2 keyboards, and a desk that looks like a war zone just because you want to use your work laptop and gaming rig on the same 3 monitors. I've lived that mess every single day. Pure frustration. Drop chaos below if your desk currently looks like NASA mission control right now. Every switch means windows jumping, resolutions resetting, OBS scenes exploding, and that gut punch feeling when your 144 Hz monitor drops to 60 Hz because the cheap KVM lied. You waste hours every week fighting cables instead of actually working or gaming. Imagine never feeling that burning irritation again. Comment done if you're exhausted from the constant fight. Then I discovered the TESmart TESWM203-M24 and everything actually changed. Don't just grab any Triple-Monitor-KVM. Make sure it has real per-port EDID emulation so you never deal with windows flying across screens or resolutions resetting ever again. This beast gives you true 4K at 144 Hz or even 8K at 60 Hz across all 3 monitors. Rock-solid USB 3.0 that never drops your mechanical keyboard or 12,000 DPI mouse, instant hotkey switching in under 3 seconds, and perfect HDR and FreeSync pass-through that feels identical to direct connection. Last week, my friend Alex was mid-ranked Valorant match when his work laptop forced a Windows update. One double tap of scroll lock, he switched to his gaming rig, kept the exact same window layout, and clutched the round. No flicker, no lag, no rage. Pure relief washed over him. That's the magic. Comment wow if you want that feeling tomorrow morning. Now I switch between my Mac Studio for editing and my 4090 rig for gaming in the blink of an eye. Same 3 monitors, same window positions, same blazing 144 Hz, same color accuracy, same everything. Zero chaos, pure flow. A senior dev at Riot told me last month we bought 3 DKS203-M24s for the team. 0 window reshuffling, no more broken multi-monitor setups after stand-up. Linus Tech Tips forum mods call it the first triple-monitor KVM that doesn't suck. One trader I know saved $1,800 in duplicate peripherals alone in year 1. People keep asking, but isn't it hard to set up? Bro, it took me 18 minutes total, and it's been flawless for 8 months. No drivers, no software, just works on Windows, Mac, Linux. Thousands of creators, traders, devs, and gamers now refuse to work without it. See why they'll never go back. Comment 1 for perfect window memory, 2 for buttery 144 Hz gaming, or 3 for finally having a clean desk. Which one do you need most today? You deserve to work and play on all 3 monitors without the daily fight. The TESmart DKS203-M24 is the clean desk, zero compromise, future-proof triple-monitor KVM that thousands of us now live in every single day. Calmer mornings, faster workflow, sharper gaming, total control. Join us, full affiliate link in the description and pinned comment. Click it right now and finally feel what a proper desk feels like tomorrow. You've waited long enough. See you on the clean side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.